What if I told you there is an indicator that tracks the real buying and selling pressure in the market? One that goes beyond simple price action and helps you see what is happening behind the scenes. That is exactly what the Intraday Intensity Index does. Okay? III for short. In this video, we are diving deep into how the Intraday Intensity Index works, how to read its signals, and how you can incorporate it into your trading strategy to improve decision making. Okay, so stick around because this is something you don't want to miss. And if you are serious about improving your trading, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert breakdowns of powerful trading tools. Now, let us just start with the basics. Okay, what exactly is the Intraday Intensity Index? This is a volume based indicator that measures the relationship between price movement and volume throughout the trading session. Now, instead of just looking at whether price is going up or down, the intraday intensity index tells us whether the movement is backed by real market strength or weakness. So it does this by tracking where the closing price is in relation to the day's high and low, then multiplies that by the trading volume. So what is the result? It's a powerful metric, as you can see right here in the indicator window, a metric that tells us whether buyers or sellers are truly in control. Now, why is this important? Because in trading, volume confirms price. Okay, a strong price movement without volume is weak, but a movement with increasing volume, well, that's something to pay attention to. So, how do we actually read and use this indicator? When the intraday intensity index is positive, if you look here closely, you see that there is a zero level. Above the zero level is positive territory, below the zero level is negative territory, and above the zero level you see that the III will show green histogram bars. Below the zero level, the III will show red histogram bars. Okay, so when the III is positive, it means that the price is closing closer to the high of the day. All right, and buyers are in control. So this can indicate bullish momentum and potential continuation to the upside. Okay, then when the III is negative, it means the price is closing closer to the low of the day. Okay, showing that sellers are dominating. This can be a sign of bearish pressure and potential downside movement. So you should be looking for divergences also. Okay, look for divergences. If price is making new highs, but the intraday intensity index is not following suit, it could be a sign that momentum is fading and a reversal might be near. So the same applies for new lows. Okay, by understanding these signals, you can start identifying when a trend is strong, when it is weak, and when a shift might be coming. So now that we know how to interpret this indicator, let us talk about how to actually use it in trading. Okay, the first strategy is confirming trend strength. You can use the III to confirm an ongoing trend. Okay, if price is trending up like what we have here, right, you can see that price was clearly trending up, right? So if price is trending up and the III remains consistently positive, those periods where it was above the zero line and in green histogram bars, in such a situation the trend is likely healthy, so you can legit look for buy opportunities, can be looking for buy opportunities after every pullback, so long as the III remains in the positive territory. Hope you understand. So long as the III remains in the positive territory and you find out that the trend is still making higher highs and higher lows, you can be looking for buy opportunities after each pullback. Okay, but if the index starts weakening while price is still rising, then it could mean that buyers are losing strength, signaling a possible reversal. Now, the second strategy of this intraday intensity index is spotting institutional activity. Okay, institutions and smart money they leave clues through volume activity. So a sharp spike in the III, when you notice that the histogram bar surges, to a high level, right? It can indicate that big players are entering the market, especially at key levels, Now you can see exactly what happened around here. There was a possibility that big players got involved. You can see the spike in the III. And guess what? After the spike in the III and this consolidation completed, can you see this massive buy move that we had all the way from this point up? It was really a massive move, right? You can see from here all the way up. You can see that that was really a strong buy trend. So you can use the III to spot institutional activity. Okay, if you see a strong index reading near support or resistance level, it might be a sign of accumulation or distribution. Now, the third strategy is using it with other indicators. Okay, the intraday intensity index works even better when paired with other tools. So you can combine it with moving averages, to filter out noise, or use it alongside RSI or MACD, just for extra confirmation of strength or weakness. So this makes the intraday intensity index a versatile tool that can be used in multiple market conditions, whether you are scalping, day trading, or swing trading. Now, before we wrap up, here are some key tips to keep in mind when using this indicator. The higher the volume, the more reliable the signal. Okay, low volume readings may not carry as much weight. And the intraday intensity index is best used on shorter time frames like the 5 minute or the 15-minute chart for intraday trading. Okay, specifically for intraday trading. But if you want to use the indicator for swing trading, then of course you can go to higher time frames. Okay, now always combine it with price action. Do not rely on this indicator alone. All right, no indicator out there guarantees 100% profit. So always combine with other indicators and use price action as well. Okay, when used correctly, this indicator can help you track real market strength and make more informed trading decision. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into powerful trading strategies and indicators. And let me know in the comments, have you used the intraday intensity index before? What's your favorite volume based indicator? Let us discuss below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.